outline this if you want to.
His motivation asks, would you ever do acrylic for toes?
I do have some clients who are asking for it. Yes. If the clients are asking a request for it.
Selena asks, I'm having trouble maintaining my business. Any advice?
Maintaining your business, any details? Give me more details. I will able to try my best to give you advice. You know what? I think it looks really cool, and this one is so cool that I
It's like a tree. And everything can grow.
Selena said money-wise.
Money-wise, like customer, building a customer, or building how? Give me more specific, like clients, building clienteles, or you can also outline this if you want to. Absolutely. Oh, I like that. Who questioned that? Can you, Isabella, can you show me again? The question is money-wise. Who is that?
Selena.
Selena. More specific about money-wise.
Say anything yet.
Like for instance, you couldn't keep up with the clients could keep up with your appointment, and like give me some a little bit detail so I can really like assist you with that. Like say, because if you couldn't keep the clients or couldn't keep the clients with appointments, that could leading to like financial, like money wise, and or like you couldn't get the enough product to fulfill the clients, or just give me more details so I will able to assist you from step by step. Oh, I like it like this.
It's cute.
But if you don't like it, don't worry. You don't have to outline it. I try all different cool things.
Larva said, Isabella, tell your mom why she never showed me her yellow pedicure. I don't know.
Oh, you know what, Livas? I'm so glad. Like the other day, I showered and I'm thinking of you. I said, oh my God, she's gonna kill me. I swear with you, my crystal's still on. I don't know, should I say, I should say it before and after. I feel so bad, Livas. I'm swear I will take a picture.
I don't know why.
I have so many of them. I don't know why this one I didn't take a picture.
Don't ask me.
So I'm gonna flash key it. If you like it, I'm gonna dress it up really cool, like a spring nail. So I'm so excited. Okay, let's flash key this one for a quick like.
Debbie said in all caps, let's see.
Let's see. Livas said, put the feet on the table. Oh, I love that, Livas. I love you. Okay. Oh, you gotta see this one in, like this one in under the LED lights. It's like kind of a glow in the black lights. It's really cool though. I have the black lights here. I can show you.
We gotta turn up some light and then we can see enough.
Hey Nuna, you did. I see. Hello, I see. Hi Nuna. Hi Maya. I just want to make sure I will say hi to everyone. Debbie.
Maya said, OMG, she thought of you, Larvas.
Let me see.
Hold on, we're gonna have to turn up some light.
No, I don't think you can see. Can you see it? No, not yet.
Alright, ladies, we're gonna turn up the lights just 5 seconds. Let me see if I
Let me see. Hold on.
Make sure you have a powerful one.
Okay.
Ready?
Turn it up. Yeah. Oh, look at that. That's awesome.
Pull down a little bit. Pull down a bit. There you go.
Oh, it's so cute.
That purple glow. It's fun. Run away. Back.
Okay, back to normal.
Turn on the lights again.
No. It's fun.
All right, so what were we doing again? I was like, I have all idea in my mind.
Maybe
Oh, butterflies. Sorry, everyone. I was talking, so it's just goofy. Sorry. I swear with it, like I get everything prepared, and then I said, "What did I get?" I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. I just thinking of all of you. Every day was such a blessing day that for me to get, energy and get the mindset that I would love to share with everyone's. Wish you all the best. Successful, healthy, be safe. All right. So many butterflies, I don't know what to do now. There are 22 and is more to come. And I have a hard time, so I don't know what to. Later watch, it's one of the set. It's come from our team, a talented team. So then I will show with the press on they have done. Okay, so in making a cool spring. This is absolutely can using it with the flower brush and fusioning. And if you don't want to do a background in green and yellow, you can do pink. Passionate it back in the stock. It's one of my favorite colors. As always, go with everything. And a lot of color like obsidians back in stock as well. And a lot of colors like calmings and feeling blue. They're all in there. So please check it out. What should I do? Should I do the purple one?
Maya said, Nancy, we love you. You have such a kind spirit and always to come on with the happiest attitude and ready to share your tips. I love you. Thank you, Nancy.
Thank you, Maya. We can't wait. We can't wait for you to join the team. Stay tuned, Maya. All right, so I don't know what else you want. I have a hard time to pick out. Wish me luck because this is a background one like, okay.
Something like small.
Small.
So it doesn't steal the attention.
Why you always want small butterflies? Pink, okay, pink. All right. Thank you, Maya. Hot pink. Oh, who's that say pink? Thank you so much. Super cute bling nails. Pink.
Like, do you even need more butterfly on that one?
I don't care. I'm gonna put some on it. Just ask the man if some suggest, but you do it anyway.
Larva said bees.
Bee? Oh, okay. Let's do butterflies. One.
One butterfly, one bee.
Oh no, bee is good. All right, live bath. But okay, let me do smaller one then. I try to find smaller one to fit with our right here. I think it's a bee. Oh, the bee right here. I would try one pink. A whole collection is funny one. If I get a chance to see show with the clients, I will like. You know what it's gonna be? This one. Should I do that? Ladybugs. We are all bugs because it's ladybugs. So one ladybugs down, and maybe we can let bees and maybe pink.
Pick a cute bee.
Oh, what's the other bee? Those are cute bees. She's a fun one. She's a funny bee. Sweet bee. I'm gonna take this letter. Can't see.
I need like a solid bee, but a small one.
Solid bee. Maybe black and white bee?
Or even a ladybug, but a small one.
I have one.
Like, this is very...
Larva said there are small bees on the butterfly stickers. I don't know. She just said.
Why do you see that? Liras? I want tiny butterflies.
These are super tiny.
Oh, I like that butterflies. Liras. This butterfly is cute though, look.
Larva said bee.
Bee, okay. Hold on, I'm looking for bee right now. I want this one. Hold on. She's gonna lean right on this wing. Like, oh, I mean petals. I'm
That was so
thinking
blurry.
Super cute bling nail said D1 next to D honey. I don't know what that means.
Do you want me to what? Ping.
Laura said F580, like the one F580.
Oh. I gotta check it out.
Oh, F580, whatever it is.
Yeah.
One of the biggest ones.
What else should we do with this one though? I have so many on my side. And those are cute butterflies. Oh, you know what? Just talking about that. This number 92 is really cool. I'm using it for the milk bath nails. Any of you want to see the milk bath nails today? And especially for all of you who are doing a gel polish. Okay, gel polish. I mentioned gel polish or hard gel. You can using a milk bath nails. Comment yes below right here. I can make that milk bath nail to show you today.
Yeah.
So
Some of that.
then you can have
Like 580.
some of an idea for milk bath nail. Instead of don't have to be encapsulating with liquid and powder, you can absolutely doing so beautiful milk bath nails.
Debbie said yes, yes, yes.
Okay, Debbie,
All right, where are we?
we are
Miss
picking.
Vicky said yes.
Oh, sorry.
Everyone is basically saying yes.
Put it down. There you go.
Oh, she's taking whole space.
The wing is big.
Everyone is saying
Oh, no.
yes.
So the bee could be on top of the flower and not. Don't have it right next to it.
No, I
No.
want her to be like here. Maybe. All right, because the reason is I want to shape just one or two tiny
Carista.
Caristo. He said Caristo. It's funny. All right, so that's it. So then we can move on to milk bath nail. I can't wait for this one. I'm holding on this, guys, over here on this side. So then show for all of you. Send the love to all of you who is doing a gel polish, hard gel, poly gels. And you don't have to worry about if you have to have acrylic to doing a milk bath nails. I did it for several clients that, which is like on the Glitz girl group today. I sent it. That is the set that I did on the top. Even you do liquid and powder or gel polish, you can do a beautiful milk bath nails on it. And it doesn't look different at all when you're doing
Okay,
it liquid and powder.
they all said yes to a milk bath.
That's awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little bit crystals on it. Otherwise, I'll be missing like a really. So my condensed blue gel, I have two. Part of them is this part. It's awesome. It's really thick density, so don't hesitate to just blend it. And okay, sorry. Keep that one off for me, please. Really thick density, so don't hesitate to like blend it nicely. All right, so top coat on the top of this. Make sure you close the cap on right away, so then it won't cure. And no wipe top coat. Right on the top. And as early as Vicky just, it's awesome. She just wiggle a little bit to get it all. How does that happen with this?
What are you doing?
There's a wrong lead, I guess. I don't know. Cap on. I'm going to use some of this, mix colors with my AB and also my beads.